Alright, Fuzz Pie Guy here. I'm going to show you one of the ways to hook up a LED in a resistor. For example, if you're hooking it up to a Pi or whatnot, but I'm just going to use an external source to power it. So what we're going to do is I'm just going to hook it up to my little USB cable here and power it off of 5 volts. So I got my container LEDs here. These are 5mm LEDs. So if you look on here, you'll see the 2 leads. We're going to be worrying about the longer lead for the positive. The shorter lead is for the negative. So I have a handful of resistors here. So we are just going to take one of these resistors and take our LED here. And I am just going to twist this around. Like I said, this is just temporarily for the video. And I'm going to put that around the ground. Then I'm just going to put the resistor around my ground wire here. So just be careful you don't stab yourself or anything, poke yourself with the wires. Then I'm just going to take the positive lead and hook it up to the positive on my USB cable. Now I'm just going to plug this into a USB adapter. So to recap, I just have my resistor hooked up to my ground, and the ground on the LED, and the positive hooked up to the positive lead on the LED, and the longer lead on the LED is the positive connection. So now that we got that, we can go ahead here and plug in my USB cable, and we have light. And I'm just powering this off a 5-volt source. So this is just a way to hook up your LEDs. So, and I'm using a 330 ohm resistor for these that I just got off the internet. So, all right, thanks for watching.